Hey Appu, can we do statement problems next?
Okay, since you love them so much, that's what we'll do.
Yay!
Statement problems. Length of a string is 3 meters 20 centimeters. What is the length of 4 such strings? Length of a string equals 3 meters 20 centimeters. Number of strings equals 4. To find the total length, we multiply 3 meters 20 centimeters times 4. 4 times 20 centimeters equals 80 centimeters. 4 times 3 meters equals 12 meters, which is 12 meters 80 centimeters. So the length of 4 strings is 12 meters 80 centimeters. Amazing! A bag of rice weighs 2 kilograms 700 grams. How much do 3 such bags weigh?
Thank you for watching. Enroll now. To access all 184 videos totaling 16 hours and 38 minutes, featuring introductions, examples, and exercises for Grade 4 Math.